Hey everyone, my name is Reid Havens, and I'll be delivering an exciting one-day workshop on demystifying visualizations and enhancing report design within Power BI. This workshop is taking place at the world-renowned SQLBits conference that will take place between March 31st and April 4th at the Excel Convention Center in London. Now, a little bit about me, then I'll talk about the workshop. I'm the founder of Havens Consulting and a Microsoft MVP. I've been working in the industry now for over 7 years, and in my time with analytics, I've become an expert in data acquisition, data modeling, report development, and visual design. I'm based out of Seattle, Washington at the footsteps of Microsoft, but I'm very excited to be visiting London and getting a chance to meet all of you at SQLBits. Now, this workshop will focus on a few report design methodologies such as understanding visual cues, selecting the right chart types based on data and requirements, and applying color theory. We will also discuss how to enhance report design through the use of features such as drill-through, bookmarks, report page tooltips, what-if scenarios, conditional formatting, custom visuals, and more. Throughout the day, I'll also be continuously discussing best practices and recommendations as they come up. And all of this will have you finishing the workshop with a strong report design foundation to help you create beautiful reports such as this one here. So I look forward to seeing you there.